Update the first side, bro.
How do you feel?
I feel too. When did you sleep?
Bad. I went to bed at 1.
Mm.
You have to try it.
Stupid thing.
Ready?
Yes.
It's good. What do you think?
You definitely tell it's frozen.
I think it tastes the same as it did the wedding day.
You were drunk.
1 year later, the cake is actually pretty good. Sad baby, you can't have cake. Sad baby, say good morning to YouTube. Say good morning. Mama's not eating rice cakes today. Today is going to be very low-key. We're not really doing much. I am about to go work out, so I will film the entire workout for you guys. And we have a birthday party to go to today. And then other than that, I just have a lot of online training to do. So oh man, I look tired. 1 year later, and this is still hanging up in my closet. It's a complete mess. I won't show you guys, but I'm gonna get my half a scoop of game day with my water, and I put in some Crystal Light. So I'm gonna drink this, watch some YouTube. This is my little corner because it's the only place in the house I get Wi-Fi. Isn't that kind of sad? Today's workout. I'm doing back, shoulders, and arms. My top is from Forever 21. It's pretty cute. It has like mesh on the sleeves. It's very comfortable. And then these leggings are from Old Navy. And I feel really bloated right now. Ooh, I'm about to go sweat some of this shit out. Hi, baby. What are you looking for? What are you looking for, huh? Okay. Okay, baby. I'll be back. Love you. I love you, baby. You'll be a good boy, okay, baby? We'll be. Oh, let's see what he got. Oh, yes. Let's go find Nick. He's the one who got us the donuts. Say hi, Nick.
Hey guys.
Thank you, Nick.
You're welcome. The caramel apple croissant donuts?
Yeah.
They're amazing. I thought those are the ones you like. Isn't that the one?
I like donuts. I'm gonna eat that one and that one. So I already took a bite. Let me go to the light. I don't know if you guys can see.
How are they?
It's really good. I don't know what's in it.
It's caramel apple.
Let's try this. This one's better.
Really?
It's just like a simple donut.
Yeah.
How is it?
about to turn it up.
I'm getting ready. We're about to, wow, I should really clean my closet. At the party, I've just been working online, so that's why I haven't filmed anything. Forever 21 top. These jeans are from Fashion Nova, I believe. They were like 12 bucks. I got my face so I don't look like a train wreck. So this weekend, I just been eating pure shit. Dun, 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 dun. It's like a horrible angle. It makes your arm look fat. Arm fat. Dave went to walk cider while I put my face on because nobody wants to see this face without this stuff on. Dave goes, oh, well now it's not gonna be just the phone. We're gonna have a camera. This is a very old camera, so it's huge. Dave, calm down. My waist looks freaking like scary small in this frame. You know, not bad for all the freaking food I've been eating. I haven't had one vegetable this weekend. It's okay. Time to eat a turkey sandwich. So I'm actually really enjoying like filming, so I hope you guys enjoy my life. I'm thinking about doing about 4 videos a week. I'm probably gonna do one full workout. Ooh, my sandwich. I'm probably gonna do one day where I just film my entire workout and I do a voiceover and explain what I'm doing, and I'm probably gonna do a full day of eating, and I'm probably gonna vlog throughout the week and then just make like one video for Friday, and then I'm probably gonna do longer vlogs during the weekend when Dave is home. So that's my plan. Let me know what you guys think, and like always give me your requests and I will do them. I'm actually thinking about doing the 10K food challenge because, let me tell you, I think people would be surprised at how much food I could eat and how fast I could eat. Like this video if you want me to do it. I'll catch you guys later. My arms are very small in this thing. I'm so tiny.
You need a tighter shirt.
No, Dave, you wear loose shit so you look skinnier.
I don't.
Alright, we're about to go to a birthday party. I'll catch you guys later. I didn't take my phone in there, but we had chocolate cake.
She did take her phone.
I didn't take my camera. I'm gonna see what I ate. Follow my Snapchat. Why isn't it opening? It's not that one.
I thought maybe there'd be some good news.
So it was good, so I'm gonna have a slice.
We would have a baby, but she only likes to do it in the butt.
Oh my god!
No! No, get off of there. There's David. No. I'm gonna go. I'm walking away. I don't even know what we need. David.
That's what YouTube needs.
David, my attention to me. Rice cakes. I think I'm gonna get caramel. Shit, I don't know. I'm not gonna get caramel. I'm gonna get white cheddar. Wait, I don't know what just to get. What do I get? Chocolate? But they're like the highest calories. You know I eat like the whole thing. I'm gonna get caramel.
Dude, I don't like this one.
Okay, then. Wait, they have the spray. Oh, alright, it's fine. Let's go. Wait, is this stuff you can put in your lips?
That's stuff you can put in your butt.
Shut up, you asshole. My big ass water, because I gotta hydrate if I want to be healthy. Because this weekend I ate shit and didn't drink water. Come with me if you want to live. Come with me if you want to live. If you lift, you know that groceries go up in one trip. Oh, what the hell is he trying to revolt for?
No, you're not Spider-Man.
Can you give it to me? Say hi to the YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.